Climate change and pollution have a profound effect on our North Sea and marine life. It is crucial that we are aware of these changes and strive for sustainable solutions to protect our North Sea through climate and biological research. From our own ship, the Zaraffa, CO2 neutral and wind power, we want to better monitor how the North Sea influences the climate and can therefore draw up more accurate future expectations. The Friends of the Seas Foundation plays an active role in this initiative and contributes to scientific knowledge about the North Sea. Friends of the Seas researches and also assists with the installation and maintenance of measuring buoys. Pollution of all kinds such as plastics and heavy metals in the North Sea has become a major ecological challenge. This applies worldwide, but certainly also in the North Sea and the coastal areas, where the Friends of the Seas Foundation is active. This pollution is closely related to pollution left by fishing, but also dirt and oil pollution left by other shipping. Interestingly enough, plastics can also contain heavy metals. Enough reasons for us to clean up this pollution. This happens from the CO2-free Zaraffa. The North Sea Cleanup project we developed is intended to rid the North Sea of contaminants as much as possible. With the North Sea Cleanup project, pollution on the seabed is traced with sonar equipment and removed by divers. Contamination, such as oil found on the surface, is cleaned up with a 100% biodegradable and harmless liquid for the environment. The foundation will be operational from 2025, and we will finance the project using crowdfunding, sponsorship, and donations. Geographic distribution of heavy metals associated with plastics in the sea. Knowledge about heavy metals associated with plastics is spread across scientific publications to address this. A study has collected information on the presence of cadmium, chromium, mercury, nickel and zinc in plastic found in the sea. Effect of heavy metals on marine life. Plastics that end up in coastal waters absorb and release toxic metals such as cadmium and lead. Scientists are actively studying the impact of metal-contaminated plastic on marine ecosystems and the organisms that live in them. In addition, a respectable amount of heavy metals are found that we clean up, such as lead, etc. In summary, tackling plastic pollution and its association with heavy metals is critical to protecting our marine environment. Let's continue to work together to protect our oceans and support the Friends of the Seas Foundation.